has no idea that Bill and us were showing up on his doorstep.
No idea?
He has no idea.
Oh.
No. Hi there, I'm Steven Kirk, and welcome to my captain's quarters. You know, if I get chosen to be the ultimate fan and I can have this turned into my fan cave, it would really be sort of the culmination of 50 years of fandom.
Boy, walking awfully fast.
Yeah, slow it down, you guys.
I think you should go into slow-mo, guys.
Go slow.
Slow-mo.
Got a piece from 1977, the year that Star Wars came out, but one of my favorite pieces from that year is a calendar that they put on a piece of cloth. They used to have these towels. I also have some original costume and prop pieces that I've picked up over time. Phaser from Star Trek VI, the head of Captain Kirk, an original costume from Next Generation. So this actually is officially known as the Captain's Quarters. I'm not just saying that. People have always called me Captain Kirk.
Mr. Shatner. How are you, sir?
You're not surprised?
I am very surprised. You
don't
kidding me? I'm
act
about ready to
surprised.
fall over.
Could you do a little more surprise, please? Like, oh my God. Say, oh my God.
Surprise face. Hold on a sec. You guys are doppelganging right now. Did you
Oh
coordinate?
my God! This
Oh
is
my God. You're wearing black.
This is incredible. What are you doing?
What am I doing here?
I thought you
I
guys
hear you
were-
have a fan cave.
I do.
Let's go see it.
Yes,
Let's go see this
Oh,
fan
yeah.
cave.
Wow.
You know, it looks great to me. I don't understand. What would you do?
Very cluttered.
It really cluttered. So Victoria works on our design team. We've actually looked at sneak peek photos of what you have here, and I think we could take this to the next level. You have all the memorabilia. Now we need to get you some style.
Oh, that would be incredible.
We need to clear all of this stuff out of here. So
I mean, you guys actually today?
this is happening right now.
Wow.
So many cool things. I don't even know what some of this stuff is, but it's cool. She can't do it. Close these.
I can't.
I gotcha. Hold on. This is the training program? Yeah. All right. Good.
Well,
It's training wheels for Star Trek.
How does this work? It's a lightsaber.
Never bring up Star Wars trivia to Bill because it's the wrong Star Wars.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I was gonna hide that. All the hair is all hand plunged in.
God, that's unbelievable.
He's a little roughed up because he's been moved around a lot and everything.
Well, so is Patrick, actually.
Remember this guy here?
No,
Well, that's you.
I don't remember him at all. Every inch of your house
Existence?
is,
Yeah.
Do you live with anybody?
My wife, Vicky,
Yeah?
of 20 years.
And where?
We have a small corner in the closet area.
Really? He's standing up.
Can actually breathe.
we're gonna do a bar cart setup, but it's gonna look nothing like this.
Hey, Adrian. Oh, hey. A secret hidden window and a beer bottle.
I think this is a terrible mistake. All the stuff is gone. Listen, Jonathan. Drew. No.
Drew.
Drew. Jonathan.
Steve. Wait.
No, you're
Bill,
John.
Why don't we set up this space where we have a slightly more minimalistic feel because you couldn't move anywhere.
Right.
But you really pick those showcase pieces that you can put here.
Bill, do you trust these guys?
No, I wouldn't look at this.
Perfect. I want this to actually feel like,
Sophisticated.
yeah, I mean, almost like he's on the bridge
Yeah.
of the USS Enterprise. Already looking better?
No,
You ready?
no. You gotta pay attention to detail. This guy.
Oh, watch the trim.
Watch the trim.
We're not
Attention to the
painting the
detail.
trim.
Paint the wrong one, the wrong color.
Jonathan.
Druithan. This one.
Oh, wait a minute, guys. Let's go through this drill again.
Can I just swap this for that and position you over here?
Yeah.
Not on Victoria.
We're trying to figure out what do we want to put on the shelves for decor because we
Yeah.
want to mix it up.
Well, this is a fake, and this is real.
This is real. This
no,
looks like the
that's a
chef.
fake. This is a fake.
How do
This
you
is
know
real.
it's real?
Well, I'm the guy. I was on the show.
What? That was in an episode?
That was in Star Trek 3.
This was in every episode.
That wasn't
Even
in
these
this
guys-
was Star. Oh, gee, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Why would you do that?
Because it's a fake.
You were
this
in a
is
timeout.
real.
You're in a timeout, sir. Sit in the chair over here.
Dear. Are you
Timeout.
all right, Drizzy?
Somebody
Drizzy.
grab me the tape.
Drizzy.
So-
So you just stay there.
Come on!
And it's wet. You wanna-
I gotta tell you, I love this place. It's clean, it's modern, It's not even modern, it's futuristic. I mean, this is the kind of place that Admiral Kirk, this would have been his office when he worked at Starfleet Command. I love it. It's incredible. I mean, the accoutrements that came in here, like the individual shelves going up on either side, where I could actually take and spotlight some really cool pieces. It used to look like a yard sale in here, because I had everything all crammed in. But to actually spotlight individual pieces makes them that much more special. And the lighting, I got this beautiful even lighting all across the room, and the blinds. Electric blinds going up and down. I mean, I feel like a real movie mogul in here, you know? It's great. It's just great.
Amazing, simply amazing. I couldn't have possibly asked for anything better. It's always been a dream of mine, though, to have a beer with Bill.
Oh, yeah?
So, do you mind if we
No,
take
not
a
at
moment
all.
here?
Yeah.
Because this is to celebrate the momentous occasion here.
This is what is called a mugshot.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Thank you
Oh,
very
that
much,
was
everybody.
a really good idea on my part to redo this thing.
It was all Bill.
Yeah.
All Bill. Can you make over my Star Trek fan cave?
Druzy.